Understanding yourself for personal growth. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going on a journey of self-discovery through the power of self-reflection. Let's dive in and explore how understanding yourself better can change your life. Self-reflection is like taking a long look in the mirror at your thoughts, feelings, and actions. It's a way to understand yourself better and grow as a person. Let's delve into this journey of self-discovery together. What is self-reflection? Self-reflection is about thinking deeply about who you are, what you've done, and where you're going. It's like having a conversation with yourself to figure things out. You can do it by yourself, in a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Why is self-reflection important? Self-reflection helps you understand yourself better. It's like shining a light on your thoughts and feelings so you can see them more clearly. When you understand yourself better, you can make better choices and live a happier life. How to practice self-reflection. 1. Find a quiet spot where you feel comfortable. 2. Ask yourself questions like, what makes me happy? What am I good at? What do I want to achieve? 3. Listen to your thoughts and feelings without judging them. 4. Write down your thoughts in a journal or talk about them with someone you trust. Understanding your emotions. Emotions are like colors on a canvas. They paint the picture of your inner world. Pay attention to how you feel and why you feel that way. Are you happy, sad, angry, or excited? Understanding your emotions helps you deal with them in a healthy way. Exploring your relationships. Relationships are like plants. They need care and attention to grow. Think about your relationships with family, friends, and others. Are they strong and supportive, or do they need work? Understanding your relationships helps you build stronger connections with others. Analyzing your actions. Actions speak louder than words. They show who you really are. Think about the things you do every day. Do they reflect your values and beliefs? Are there any habits you want to change? Understanding your actions helps you become the person you want to be. Learning from mistakes. Mistakes are like stepping stones. They help you move forward. Everyone makes mistakes, but what matters is what you learn from them. Instead of beating yourself up, try to understand why you made the mistake and how you can do better next time. Setting goals for growth. Goals are like stars. They guide you towards your dreams. Think about what you want to achieve in life. Do you want to learn something new, improve your health, or build stronger relationships? Setting goals helps you stay focused and motivated. Celebrating your progress. Progress is like a journey. It's made one step at a time. Take time to celebrate your successes, no matter how small. Whether you reached a goal or learned something new, pat yourself on the back and keep moving forward. Conclusion. Self-reflection is a journey of self-discovery that leads to personal growth and happiness. By understanding yourself better, you can make better choices, build stronger relationships, and live a more fulfilling life. So take some time to look inward, listen to your heart, and embrace the wonderful person you are. Thanks for hanging out with us today. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share with your pals, and hit that subscribe button for more cool stuff on personal growth and finding yourself. See you next time.